Are you experiencing any of these challenges? Not making enough money, having cash flow issues, or just working yourself to death? As an expert business coach, consultant, and trainer for almost 15 years, I've worked one-on-one with more than 1,000 business owners like you and have taught many thousands of people about business. The Small Business Pro Certification is a 3-month intensive program with your peers that incorporates a 1-hour live virtual session with me and specifically designed for businesses with fewer than 10 employees and led by an owner-operator. Here's what others are saying about it.
You need someone that's going to tell you how to get things done, how to move your business forward, how you can run your business like a pro.
Because of Mr. Andrew Fraser, we're learning how to reinvent our business and how to grow our business.
He's been helping me with my financials, making sure everything's together, what's working versus what's not working in my business, so that I'm working on my business and not in my business, period.
Are you ready to work on your business rather than in it? Then register now